Welcome H.S.C. English First Paper Question 5. Fill in the gaps. We know that all species are A. for maintaining ecological balance. If one is B. the whole natural environment, C. in order to D. the environment from being spoilt, we should therefore protect E. wildlife. The good news is that many countries are now F. action to protect the G. wildlife. We should H. the Earth's wild I. to save ourselves. To be J. to animals is to be kind to mankind. We know that all species are important for maintaining ecological balance. If one is B. gone, the whole natural environment C. suffers. In order to D. protect the environment from being spoilt, we should therefore protect E. the wildlife. The good news is that many countries are now F. taking action to protect the G. vulnerable wildlife. We should H. protect, save the Earth's wild I. lives, creatures, animals to save ourselves. To be J. kind to animals is to be kind to mankind. Answer: A. important, B. gone, C. suffers, D. protect, E. the F. taking, G. vulnerable, H. protect, save, I. lives, creatures, animals, J. kind. Thanks for watching.